Did you know you can gain up to 1/4 pound of muscle per week? It's true. This might not seem like much at first glance, but when you break it down, it becomes quite impressive. Over the span of a month, that's a whole pound of muscle. And if you keep at it consistently, by the end of the year, you could be looking at a substantial increase in muscle mass. This might not seem like much, but it adds up to significant gains over time. Imagine the transformation your body can undergo with steady, consistent effort. Each week, as you add a little more muscle, your strength and physique improve. It's a gradual process, but one that yields impressive results if you stay dedicated. Imagine gaining 13 pounds of pure muscle in a year. That's a remarkable transformation that can change not just your appearance, but also your confidence and overall health. Think about how your clothes will fit better, how you'll feel stronger and more capable in your daily activities, and the positive impact on your mental well-being. This is entirely possible with the right approach. It involves a combination of proper nutrition, effective workout routines, and adequate recovery. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in muscle growth. Without the right balance, you might find yourself working hard but not seeing the results you desire. Many people struggle to build muscle because they fall prey to common misconceptions and ineffective training methods. They might follow outdated advice or mimic routines that aren't suited to their body type and goals. This can lead to frustration and a lack of progress, making it easy to give up. They spend countless hours in the gym, pushing themselves to the limit, yet see minimal results. This can be incredibly disheartening. The key is not just to work hard, but to work smart. Understanding what your body needs and how it responds to different types of exercise can make all the difference. This is where understanding the science behind muscle growth is crucial. Knowing how muscles repair and grow after workouts, the role of protein synthesis, and the importance of rest can help you optimize your training. It's not just about lifting heavy weights. It's about lifting them in the right way and at the right times. In this essay, we will delve into the proven techniques for building muscle faster. We'll explore the best exercises, the most effective training splits, and how to progressively overload your muscles to stimulate growth. We'll also look at how to track your progress and adjust your plan as needed to keep making gains. We'll uncover the secrets to maximizing your muscle building potential, from nutrition and workout strategies to recovery techniques. Proper nutrition is the foundation of muscle growth. We'll discuss the importance of protein, the role of carbohydrates and fats, and how to time your meals for optimal results. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself, so we'll cover techniques like stretching, foam rolling, and getting enough sleep. Get ready to unlock your body's muscle-building capacity. With the right knowledge and dedication, you can achieve the physique you've always wanted. Stay tuned as we guide you through every step of the process, helping you to build muscle effectively and efficiently. Let's embark on this journey together and transform your body and your life. Building muscle is about more than just aesthetics. It's a journey that encompasses a wide range of benefits that go far beyond just looking good in the mirror. When you engage in muscle-building activities, you're investing in your long-term health and well-being. It's about enhancing your overall health and well-being. Regular exercise, including strength training, has been shown to improve cardiovascular health, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and even boost mental health by reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. Muscle is metabolically active tissue, meaning it burns calories even at rest. This is crucial because a higher metabolic rate can help you manage your weight more effectively. The more muscle mass you have, the more calories you burn throughout the day, even when you're not exercising. This increased metabolism helps you lose fat, maintain a healthy weight, and boost your energy levels. Imagine having more energy to do the things you love, whether it's playing with your kids, hiking, or simply getting through your day with more vitality. Stronger muscles also improve your strength, power, and endurance. This means you'll be able to lift heavier weights, perform better in sports, and have greater stamina for all your physical activities. It's not just about being strong, it's about being capable and resilient. This translates to better performance in your daily activities, whether you're carrying groceries, playing sports, or simply keeping up with your kids. Everyday tasks become easier and less taxing, allowing you to enjoy life more fully and with less physical strain. Muscle mass also declines with age, making it essential to build and maintain muscle throughout your life. As we age, maintaining muscle mass can help prevent falls, improve mobility, and enhance overall quality of life. It's never too late to start, and the benefits are profound. This essay will equip you with the knowledge and tools to build muscle effectively and efficiently. We'll delve into the science behind muscle growth, the best practices for training, and how to create a sustainable fitness routine that fits your lifestyle. We'll explore the crucial role of nutrition, the most effective workout strategies, and the importance of recovery. Proper nutrition fuels your workouts and aids in muscle repair, while effective workout strategies ensure you're maximizing your efforts. Recovery is where the magic happens, allowing your muscles to grow and strengthen. Get ready to transform your body and unlock your full potential. With the right approach, you can achieve incredible results and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life. Let's embark on this journey together and discover the amazing benefits of building muscle. We all have unique experiences and challenges on our muscle-building journeys. Have you struggled to see results despite your best efforts? What strategies have worked best for you? Sharing your experiences can inspire and motivate others. It can also provide valuable insights and perspectives. We encourage you to share your muscle-building journey, challenges, and triumphs in the comments section below. Your story might be the key to helping someone else achieve their fitness goals. You can't build a house without bricks, and you can't build muscle without proper nutrition. Your body needs the right nutrients to repair muscle tissue and fuel muscle growth. This starts with consuming enough calories to support muscle growth, known as a caloric surplus. Protein is crucial for muscle building, as it provides the building blocks for muscle tissue repair and growth. Aim for 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily. Don't neglect carbohydrates and healthy fats, which provide energy for your workouts and support overall health. Work it out. Effective workout strategies. Working out stimulates muscle protein synthesis, the process of building muscle tissue. The key is to challenge your muscles with progressive overload, gradually increasing the weight, reps, or sets over time. Focus on compound exercises, which work for multiple muscle groups simultaneously, such as squats, deadlifts, rows, and presses. These exercises are highly effective for building overall muscle mass and strength. Incorporate isolation exercises, which target specific muscle groups to complement your compound movements. Rest and recover. The unsung hero of muscle growth. Muscle growth doesn't happen during your workouts. It happens during recovery. When you rest, your body repairs the microtears in your muscle fibers, making them bigger and stronger. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Give your muscles adequate rest between workouts, allowing 48 to 72 hours of recovery for each muscle group. Listen to your body and take rest days when needed. Overtraining can lead to injury and hinder muscle growth. The power of compound movements. While various exercises contribute to muscle growth, compound movements reign supreme. These exercises are the cornerstone of any effective strength training program. These powerhouse exercises engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, leading to greater muscle activation and hormonal response. This not only helps in building muscle, but also in burning more calories. The increased hormonal response, particularly the release of growth hormone and testosterone, is crucial for maximizing muscle protein synthesis. This process is essential for muscle repair and growth. Squats, for instance, engage the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core, making them a highly effective exercise for building lower body strength and size. They also improve your overall balance and stability. When you perform squats, you're not just working your legs. You're also engaging your core muscles to maintain proper form, which helps in developing a strong and stable midsection. Similarly, deadlifts work the entire posterior chain, from your back and traps to your glutes and hamstrings. This makes them an excellent exercise for overall strength and muscle development. Deadlifts are particularly effective for improving your posture and reducing the risk of lower back injuries. They also enhance your grip strength, which is beneficial for other exercises. By working your glutes and hamstrings, deadlifts help in developing a powerful and explosive lower body. This is especially important for athletes who require speed and agility. Incorporating these compound movements into your workout routine will undoubtedly accelerate your muscle-building progress. Not only will you see improvements in muscle size and strength, but you'll also notice enhanced functional fitness, making everyday tasks easier and more efficient. Your path to a stronger you. Building muscle faster requires a multifaceted approach encompassing proper nutrition, effective training strategies, and adequate recovery. By focusing on consuming enough calories and protein, incorporating compound exercises, and prioritizing rest, you can unlock your body's muscle-building potential. Remember, consistency is key. Commit to a sustainable workout routine and nutrition plan, and you'll see incredible results over time. Embrace the journey, stay dedicated, and watch as you transform your body and achieve your fitness goals. Join the conversation. Your insights and experiences are invaluable. We encourage you to share your thoughts, questions, and personal anecdotes in the comments section below. Let's create a supportive community where we can learn from and inspire one another on our muscle-building journeys. Have you experienced significant muscle growth using the techniques discussed? What challenges have you faced and how did you overcome them? Share your story. Your journey might be the motivation someone else needs to start their own transformation.